Just as there are many definitions of a group, there are also many types of groups. It is important to keep in mind that a specific group may fit into multiple categories. Let's learn about two broad categories of groups. Primary groups are characterized by intimate face-to-face interactions and high levels of cooperation. A group of family members or a group of friends could fit this category. We call them primary groups because they are an important source of influence on our attitudes and behaviors. Our family and friends can even impact how we see ourselves. Although the relationships between members of primary groups are relatively strong, this does not mean the group's interactions are always harmonious. Primary groups are subject to the same dynamics as other less cooperative social groups. A social group is made up of members whose interactions are less intimate and weaker than the interactions between members of primary groups. These groups are usually focused on working together to complete a task or reach a goal. Some social groups tend to be small in size, such as a work group, a social club, or a religious congregation. Other social groups tend to be larger, such as collectives and social categories. A collective is a temporary social group made up of people who think and or behave in a similar fashion. For example, a group of people enjoying a concert could be considered a collective. As soon as the concert ends, the group disbands and members no longer interact. We will learn more about collectives in the Week 8 module. A social category is a relatively large group of people who share a common characteristic, such as age, gender, race, or religious or political affiliation. Members of social groups may not know one another very well, and they may only be connected by a common goal or shared belief.